Very good morning, class. I came to know that some of you are facing problem while doing interrogative sentences. You're facing problem to change it from active to passive. So here I am with the rules which I sent you in last class. I'm going to explain it. Condition 1. Suppose if the sentence is starting with do or does or did. Now you have to follow these 3 steps. In step 1, you will make it affirmative, and while making it affirmative, if it has do or does, you will use first form of the verb. If it has did, then you will use second form of the verb. So step 1, make it affirmative. Step 2, make it passive, and step 3, again make it interrogative. It will be the answer. See the example. Do I write a poem? Now here it is do, so we will use first form while making affirmative. Step 1, I write a poem, affirmative. Then step 2, passive. A poem is written by me. In step 3, we will convert it into interrogative. So is will come at the first place. It will be is a poem written by me. Now this will be the answer of the question, do I write a poem? Okay, same goes with this, did I write a poem? Here it is did, so we will use second form while making it affirmative. I wrote a poem. Now passive of this, a poem was written by me. Now you will convert it into interrogative. So was will come at first place according to tense rules. Was a poem written by me. Now this will be the passive of the given sentence. Was a poem written by me. Another condition, if the sentence is starting with any other question word, then first make it affirmative, then make it passive. After that, again make it interrogative, and at the last, what you are going to do, whatever is the question word given, keep that question word at the first place. Now whatever you have got, that will be the passive of the given sentence. You just have to follow these steps in the sequence one by one and you will get your answer. See the example. Where do you see him? Step 1, make it affirmative. There is do, so we will use first form. You see him. Now make it passive. He is seen by you. Now make it interrogative, so is will come at first place. Is he seen by you? Now question word where, you have to put it at the first place. So now it will be where is he seen by you? Now this is the answer of the given sentence. Another example, how do you write stories? First make it affirmative. You write stories. Now make it passive. Stories are written by you. Now convert it into interrogative. Are will come at first place. Are stories written by you? Now add the given question word at the first place. What is the question word given? How. So what will be the answer? How are stories written by you? This is the passive. Then when does Alok help me? Make it affirmative. Alok helps me, because there is does. Then make it passive. I am helped by Alok. Now make it interrogative. Am will come at first place. Am I helped by Alok? Now put the question word when at the first place. Now what will be the answer? When am I helped by Alok? See, so simple it is. Another condition. Suppose if there is who in the sentence. I am talking about simple present and simple past here, okay? There is who in the sentence. Then you will follow this formula which you can see on the screen. By whom, then helping verb, then object, and then verb third form. See example. Who tells you? If you will follow the formula which I just gave you, it will be by whom are you told? This is the answer. Who teaches her? By whom is she taught? Who likes your brother? By whom is your brother liked? Who taught you? By whom were you taught? In all these sentences, who is subject and what is object, I have written in the bracket. Now, if the sentence is starting with question word who, but it has two objects, Again I am talking about simple present and simple past. Then you will follow this formula. First put by whom, then helping verb, then first object, then verb third form, then second object. See example. Who tells you that? There are two objects, you and that. By whom are you told that? Who teaches her English? By whom is she taught English? Who taught you English? By whom were you taught English? What I did here, I just applied the formula which you just saw for two objects. So if you will go step by step according to that formula, you will get the answer. Now another condition. Suppose if the sentence is starting with any helping verb, then how will you convert it? First of all, you will make it affirmative. Okay. In step 2, you will make it passive. And while doing step 3, you will convert it interrogative according to tense rule. Then you will get the answer. Example. Am I writing a poem? Affirmative. I am writing a poem. Now what will be the passive of this? A poem is being written by me. Now convert it into interrogative. Is will come at first place. So what will be the answer now? Is a poem being written by me? So I just followed that steps which I just told you. It's so easy. If you will follow the same steps one by one, you will get your answer. And while practicing, after practicing so many times, you can do it easily. Now was I writing a poem? Same steps. Make it affirmative. I was writing a poem. Now make it passive. A poem was being written by me. Now make it interrogative. So was will come at first place. So it will be was a poem being written by me. Now you have got the answer. Was a poem being written by me. Have I written a poem? Again make it affirmative. I have written a poem. Now make it passive. A poem has been written by me. Why has? Because a poem is singular. Plural I, we, you, they have. Singular he, she, it, ram, has. Step 3. Make it interrogative. Has will come at first place. Has a poem been written by me? This is the answer. Will I write a poem? Make it affirmative. I will write a poem. Now make it passive. A poem will be written by me. Now make it interrogative. To will come at first place. Will a poem be written by me? So now what will be the answer? Will a poem be written by me? So I just followed the steps and I got the answer. If you will do the step, you will get it. I hope you have understood now. In case still you have any queries, you can type it in the comment box and I will surely get back to you. Okay? Thank you so much. That's it for today. I want you to practice. Bye bye. Take care.